We'll start this week's update with an admission that it's been quite a slow week, and a run up the dock to show you just how quiet the situation has been. Major works, it seems, are done, and only minor tasks remain. As she prepares to return to service, the Wolfe Islander IV has been a regular visitor. Work is noted on a vacuum mooring system and around the south ramp tower. No record is kept of an exceedingly wet Tuesday. Wednesday sees a representative from Clearwater Structures engaged in some sort of research on the south finger dock. It's noted also that the information board is undergoing testing, and something seems to be benefiting from insulation. It often occurs to me as I watch activity on the dock that I would benefit greatly from the services of a sign language interpreter. Thursday saw Clearwater Structures busy on the north finger dock, although it was no clearer just what it is they were checking. Meanwhile, at the top of the dock, electricians appeared to be engaged in discussing future plans and perhaps the routing of cables and the location of other assets. On Friday, as the week drew to a close, things were very quiet indeed, but there was activity around the ramp. Interest appeared to be focused on the situation of the towers as the ramp was raised and lowered. Once again, it would be enormously helpful to understand sign language. So, as we close this week's update with a look at the dock as we go into Thanksgiving, it only remains to wonder, are we done? Tune in next week to find out what happens after Thanksgiving, and thanks for watching this update. Please consider subscribing, and happy Thanksgiving.